and welcome to my first video with Make Your Own Rules, where we're going to be sharing tips, tricks, and tutorials to hopefully make your lives just a little bit easier. My name is Jeannie, and today I wanted to share with you how I like to fold and organize my fabric. I got back into sewing when the pandemic came along, and I started making masks for Tristan and I, as well as some for donation, and I quickly accumulated quite a bit of fabric, so I had to find a way to organize it. I did a lot of searching on the internet, and unfortunately I can't remember where I originally saw this, but this has definitely been my favorite way so far. It works for all different sizes of fabric, and it works if you have some scraps left over, and I don't do it perfectly, but it's pretty nice to open your drawer and see your fabric like this and be able to just pick out what you want. So go ahead and show you. I just got some new fabric in from Marshall Dry Goods the first time I ordered from them, and I'm very impressed. The fabric is really nice. I got some Riley Blake and some others, and it came really fast. Great fabric, packaged nicely. It was awesome. And no, I'm not paid for that. But so I have some new fabric here. I haven't washed it yet. I'm probably going to use these for lanyards and wristlet keychains for my Etsy shop. So I'm not planning on washing them just yet, but I can still show you how I like to fold it. So I have my 6-inch wide quilting ruler. All you have to do is just open up your fabric and then fold over one end. Very simple. And you just roll it. And I like to kind of try to get it tight on this end. Sometimes it's hard to get it at first, but then you just continue rolling it. If you're a perfectionist, you can try to make it perfectly straight and even, but I'm not, so I don't. Okay, so then once you're finished, I put the raw edge away from me, and I put it so that the raw edge here, the cut edge, is facing up. And then all you have to do is slowly pull your ruler out and stop it right about at the width that you want your fabric, or the height that you want your fabric to be. So whatever size container you have, if you have baskets that you're going to put these in, or if you have shelves that you're putting them on, or like doing like this, like a drawer, you can just kind of check and see how high that needs to be. So I want it to be about there. So I'm going to pull my ruler to there. Well, I'm going to pull my ruler to here so that when I fold it, the top is about there. And then you just pull it to where you ended your fold before, so about right here, and fold it over again. Then you can just keep going until you're done. And there you go. And then I take this and I put it, try to organize these by color, and you just pop it in there, good to go. And I was saying before that you can do this with different sizes. I also have some scraps here, well, not really scraps, but some smaller pieces left over from other projects. You can kind of tell I've already folded this one, but we're cheating a little bit. So we're just going to do the same thing. You can either do it like this with the small pieces, or you can try to make it even with one side and just fold over one edge like that. But again, you're just going to pull this down to where you want your first fold to be. And continue folding. You don't have to do this, but I find it helpful just to make everything a little bit more uniform. If you wanted it all to be perfect, you could pull that ruler to exactly the same distance for each and every piece, but like I said, I'm not that meticulous, so I didn't do that. And then put that with the purples. Another nice thing I like to do with this is that if I have a leftover piece that I have cut from another piece of fabric, like you can see here, I cut this out. I think I made a mask with this. Oh no, it was a purse lining. So I have this random piece left over. So we're just going to fold the original piece like that. And then again, you take your 6-inch ruler. You can put it this way, or you can do this way, because it's about the same height that our end product is going to be, this particular piece. If that makes sense. And you just do the same thing. You just roll it. And then what you can do with this piece is you take it and you just put it in here and fold it all up in there. And then your scrap is with the original material. And I think probably the best part about this method is that when you're ready to use your fabric, so like I was saying, I've been doing wristlet keychains, so it's just a straight 4" by 13" piece of fabric. I just take my fabric out, and I just do this, and I take my ruler. I would use my cutting mat, of course. I don't have it out right now, but line it up with my folded edge, even up the edge here with my rotary cutter, and then you can just flip it. Cut out your 4" piece or whatever you need, and then you just neatly fold it back up and put it away. Not always great about putting it away when I'm done with it, but I should be, because this makes it a lot easier. So that is how I fold and organize my fabric. I hope that is helpful for some of you, for all of you that are watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. All right, thank you, and have a good day.